Hello there. In this video, we'll be talking about LongShot's document and editors. So as you can see, I'm already on the LongShot editor and you can open the documents from the left-hand menu bar. Just click on docs and these are your docs inside your project. So different projects can have different documents inside of it. So as you can see, we have the Mark 1 selected as a project. If I go to this, so you'll find different documents inside of it. So let's go back to Mark 1. The idea is to choose relevant document. So these are your documents. Now the documents are a combination of the ones created using workflows. So some of these have been created using workflows. Some of them have been created in the wizard, and you can also find the documents inside the standalone template. So if I create a content over here and I can open a new editor, I can simply add that content to the editor and you will find all the content over here. Now coming back to the documents, looking at the various components, these are the published documents, which means these have been saved. And then you can also see the drafts. So drafts are basically the wizard documents which didn't get saved. So basically you started writing something but never finished the process. So these are available as drafts. Then you have open editor. Open editor, as you can see, is a blank editor. This is if you want to get started, you can simply start writing or use any of these in-editor tools to get started. So let me open the documents again and open one of the documents. Okay, let's talk about this one. So this is your editor. This is the LongShot editor. Looking at the different features which are available, these are the in-editor features. You can find them at the top over here. And you can also select your text and you'll find the features inside of it as well. So you can use different features to generate content for different purposes. On the right hand side, you'll find this bar. You'll see the search engine country. If you want to choose that, you can choose that. You can also choose the language. This is the information section. Here is the word counter, your reading score, your semantic score. Of course, you can explore more by clicking over here. We have the topic about the best laptops in 2023. You can research about the topic, want to learn about the subheadlines, you can do that. Look at the top questions from Google, Quora and Reddit. Fact sheets are basically the facts surrounding this topic. You can explore this. Of course, there's also the popular keywords. So this is the LongShot editor. And of course, if you wish to generate content, let's say this is the in-editor features, right? So if you wish to use the templates, you can also use that. Just click over here, templates, and you'll have it over here. So you can see your text is over here. You can use any of the standalone features. Let's say you want to use FactGPT, you want to write about a particular part. You can use that and create content. And once you're done, just head over back. By the way, you can save your content as well. And once you're done, just head back to open in editor and you'll be back over here and you can continue with your research. All right, so this is pretty much about the LongShot editor. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching.